Now we're going to be using Invideo for this purpose. Now to sign up for your account, only you have to do is to simply hit on sign up right here. It is 100% free. Now to create our quote video, we're going to be using some of the templates they have. Now to find the templates, you simply go over to categories right here and hit on view all. Now the quote template is right down here after you have clicked on view all, and you simply have to click on view all right here. Now we are still using the free account, so remember there may be some limitations if you want to use these templates. So hit on view all. These are some of the quote templates that they have, so you can look at some of these and see which one you like. Now depending on where you want to use your quote video, you would want to choose a specific dimension for your video. So if it's YouTube, 16 by 19 is great. Instagram, 1 to 1 square is good. 9 to 16, that's TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. So for this example, since we are doing quote videos, we're gonna go with any template. It doesn't matter, but if you're going for a specific platform, choose your template right here. Of course, we need to find some quotes to make our videos about. So for this example, as far as I'm concerned, these quotes are royalty free for anyone to use, so long as you package them up differently and you give credit to the original owner of the quotes. For this example, we typed in the rock motivational quotes and we can find some websites, or you can just simply look at some of these images and see which quote you really like. So for this example, we're just gonna choose a simple one: be humble, be hungry, and always be the hardest worker in the room. So we're gonna go with that. We're gonna go with the vertical format right here for the TikTok account. So we can see these are some of the vertical templates they have here. So we're gonna choose one. I really like this one, so we shall go with this one. And to open up the template, you simply click on it like so, and it should open up the template right here. Before, let's say you needed some images about the person or the original creator, you can head over to Google and type in their name. Then under tools here, hit on Creative Commons licenses right down here. So this will give you a couple of images you can use for free without having to give credit, and some of these are 100% licensable if you want to buy the licenses to them. But for this example, you can choose any of these. So I like this one here. What we do is right click on it and save image. Then we shall save this to our PC and we can use this later. So we have saved it and we have downloaded it to our PC. Now let's go back. Now going back into Invideo, I'm going to run through the menus right here real quick as I show you how to use each one. So uploads right here, you can upload a specific scene or media you want to use. For this example, we can upload the JPEG image we got from Google, which we can use for 100% free. So it's uploading right up here, and you can see once it's done, it will be all the way through, as you can see right there. Now if you want to change this up, so we hit on this, we remove that and we drag it in like that. So it will ask you what you want to do, so we can replace it. So we hit on replace. We don't want to add it as a layer. We want to replace the image by putting this one we got over from Google. That looks perfect. So next is we have the videos. Now videos here are some of the stock footage. Now since we know that the rock is into working out, so we can look for some workout videos here, and these are 100% copyright free. You can use them, so you can search for workout and hit enter. So you see what workout videos they have here you can use for free. Now next is the image. The same idea can be done. So some of these may be free and some of them may not be. So we have this one here. I don't know if it's even a workout video. Yeah, it's a workout video. We can use some of these ones without the premium icon on them. Then we have the image right here. So since we have our image there, we don't need to worry about. Now music is something that I really liked about this tool. They give you some couple of great music in different genres you can play around with. So since we are going for the motivational one, we can look for something cinematic or ambient. So we can hit on the ambient. They have some premium tracks, so keep in mind you can always use the free ones as well. So if it doesn't have the premium icon on it, then you can use that for 100% free. You can give a quick listen to all these tracks and you see what they sound like. Now next is we have the logo right down here. We shall cover the text later on. So we have the logo right up. You can upload your logo, but I'll show you a cool trick you can use later on. Now they have the colors. You can upload your own colors, which you can, and also custom fonts if you want. Now folders are just where you store your videos, and you can create different folders depending on depending on the type of videos you're creating. If you're creating motivational videos and you do want to mix those with your recipe videos, you can create folders for them. Then let's go back to text. Now let's say you wanted to edit the text right here on the screen, so you hit on that. I don't know why it's so small, so we hit on the text right here, then hit on text right up here. So hit on text and it should open up this box right in here. So I'll zoom in for you guys so that you can see, and you type in your code. So be humble, be hungry. So we type that in, and I'm not gonna finish the text for the purpose of this video. It's already getting too long, so we hit on save right there, and we are ready. Now to change the music, it's very easy. You hit on the music, and if you don't want the music, we can go back up here and we change the music. That is everything to you. Everything is that easy. Now if you like the song and the chord you have created, it's very easy to download. Now you hit on this download right here. Now depending on the format you want to go for, so if you're using the free plan, it's gonna be 720p, but if you want higher resolution, then you need to upgrade. So we're gonna go with default. Since we're using the free plan, then we hit on export. Now you can leave the software. They will send you an email once the export is done, and we shall export that, and it's that easy. Now if you're wondering where can you upload these videos, number one is a very simple platform, is YouTube. There are channels here that don't have lots of subscribers, and you can see they're getting a quite reasonable number of views. Now it doesn't mean that their success is gonna be the same as you. You may upload a video, you get more views. You may upload a video, you get no views. It doesn't matter. So this has more views compared to this, so you can try it as well. You can by uploading the same on the same keyword like so, and at the end you add shorts, since it's gonna be a short video. Now if you want more tools that can turn your articles into YouTube videos, then check out this blog post. I'll leave the link to it in the description, whereby I have a bunch of tools that I've not even mentioned in this very video, and how to use them individually. Now if you want more free tools, head over to joshlamek.com/free, and you get access to this tool and you get access to this Google Sheet with a bunch of free tools that I have ready for you guys. I update this daily, so you should expect some new tools each and every other day.